Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a backup payment method into your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a backup payment method to your Google Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and using Google Ads, you know that if your bank, for whatever reason, declines the charge, it's going to pause all of your ads in Google Ads, which could damage your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a backup payment method to avoid your Google Ads from going down, here on the left side, you're going to click on billing. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on payment methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different payment methods you have set up. However, over here to the right, you want to click on this add backup payment method. Okay, once you do that, you want to click here, add credit or debit card. Okay, here is where you can go ahead and add the debit card or credit card as a backup method. So just enter in the credit card information and then click on add backup. They do let you know that when your primary method fails, the backup payment method is going to be automatically charged. So that way there's no interruption in your Google Ads. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a backup payment method into your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.